Hey everybody. So I got a little bit different setup. Okay, and actually a lot of different setup. My other camera died right when I was getting ready to start. So I got my tablet kind of propped up and hopefully that works. And it has enough memory to go for the whole video. So we are doing a background of this folk art robin's egg blue. And I'm going to have this as my negative space. And I just absolutely love this color and I thought that would be beautiful. I'm going to do a flower blowout from the corner. I'm going to use some variation of different colors of blue. I don't know how far out I'm going to be coming. I don't have a lot of colors, so start with that. Okay, I can add more of the blue if I need to. So I'm going to start off with some black. Well, this is a metallic by Anita's. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of this, and then I am going to add a little bit of this black. This is titanium, or see, I think it's, shoot, I actually don't remember what the name of this black is, but it's also mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm hoping to get some of that lacing as it comes up. I'll have to look up what black that is. It is Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Next, we're going to do Moody Blue Shimmer. This is kind of like a Payne's Gray. It's a lot of similarities. Okay. Okay, next is Prussian blue. I was wondering maybe if I should put a little bit of this background, just a little sliver of it right there. I'm going to do Prussian blue. Okay, then, okay, I'm going to do just a small amount of white here. And next we're going to do the ice blue metallic. This is titanium white with the Australian Floetrol. And then we're going to go back. Actually, we're going to do a sliver of the Prussian. And then more of this ice blue. We are going to have a lot more negative space here than I thought. We're going to add a little white there. There's more of the background. Do some more of it.